Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to today's class. Danas bit će zanimljivo jer ovo je igra, inače, koja se zove board game. I sada da smo mi uživo, uzeli bismo kockicu, naravno oštampali your board game i onda bismo se u isto vreme i igrali, uopšte nije bitno da li imate 7 ili 77, igra je važna, i usput učili, obnavljali, kako god hoćete, present simple. Pitanje će svaki put krenuti sa how often do you? How often do you? Imaćemo sliku, neku aktivnost, naravno glagol koji ide sa tom aktivnošću i onda ćemo odgovarati koristeći adverbs of frequency. Vidite ovdje listu, ovo su samo neki koji mi možemo da iskoristimo kada pričamo da li nešto radimo stalno, ponekad, nikada, skoro nikada, jednomesečno, 2 puta nedeljno i tako dalje. To ćete morati da koristite u vašim odgovorima, a ja ću također davati svoje primjere. Tako da, let's see. How often do you... ... Šta mi vidimo na našoj prvoj slici? What do we see in the picture? Ja mogu da kažem I see the sea. I see a man. I see a surfboard. Yep. I see a surfboard. And of course, the man is on the beach. Standing on the beach. Okay. Šta bi moglo ovdje da bude? Pošto vi sad ne vidite the board game, ja sam ovo, da kažem, isekla i uzela neke primjere. Bukvalno mi treba da vas pitam koliko često idete na plažu. Very good. Ići na plažu, kao u našem infinitivu. Kako se kaže? Ići na plažu. Well, ići na plažu se kaže to go to the beach. Go to. Našem glagolu go treba ovo to da bi mu dao pravac. Znači ovo to je za direction. Između ostalo, jel? For direction. Where should I go to? Šta je to? Šta je to ka čemu ja idem? To go to somewhere. To some place. Naše mesto u ovom slučaju je the beach. The beach. Čujete kako izgovaram? Beach. Beach. Dugo i beach. Beach. All right. So, my question for you. How often do you go to the beach? Your answer? All right. My answer is, I rarely go to the beach. Rarely. Obratite pažnju gde sam stavila the adverb of frequency. Rarely. Između lične zamjenice i glagola. I rarely go. Tu se stavljaju ovo sve. Sometimes, never, occasionally, frequently i tako dalje. Neki mogu da stoje na početku rečenice, na primjer sometimes, zarez, i onda I go to the beach, ili I sometimes go to the beach. Oba su skroz korektna, ali da vas to ne bi zbunjivalo, ja bih vam preporučila, pogotovo sve ove sa liste na koju možete se vratiti nazad, staviti ih između lične zamenice i glagola. Ostali poput every day, pa ne znam, once in a blue moon, skoro pa nikad, once in a blue moon, ili once a day, twice a month, znači jednodnevno, 2 put mesečno, 3 times a year, 3 puta godišnje, sve to stavljate na kraju. Okay? A ove sa liste između lične zamenice i glagola. So my final example is I rarely go to the beach. Yep, I bet you're hungry now. Kladim se da ste sada gladni. I bet you're hungry now. I am starving. What do we see in the picture here? We see pizza. Don't we see pizza? Zar ne vidimo pizzu? Pizza, right? How many slices of pizza can you see? How many slices? Koliko parčeta? Koliko parčeća? How many slices of pizza can you see? Eight. That's right. I can see I can see 8 slices of pizza in the picture. Very well. So let's see what my question is. How often do you eat pizza, bake pizza, and buy pizza? Okay. How often do you eat pizza? Sometimes, never, occasionally, very often. Okay. My example, I occasionally eat pizza. I occasionally eat pizza. Meaning I eat pizza from, time to time. Occasionally. From time to time. S vremena na vreme. I occasionally eat pizza. But how often do I bake pizza? Koliko često pečem pizzu, ja, lično. To bake pizza. Moram da vam priznam, I never bake pizza. I never bake pizza. Nikada ne pečem pizzu. But how often do I buy pizza? How often do you buy pizza? Well, I occasionally buy pizza, right? I occasionally buy it. So that means I occasionally eat it from time to time. S vremena na vreme. All right. I have another example for you. I have another example. Primer for you. Za vas. I see a train. Yeah. This is a window of a train. So my question is, how often do you travel by train? How often do you travel by train? Koliko često putujete vozom? Travel by, u našem slučaju, train. How often do you travel by train? Cool. Or, I could have asked, mogla sam da pitam, how often do you go to, gdje, pravac, work by train? Koliko često idete na posao? Go to work. Čime, kako? Well, by train. All right. I can say that I never, or I almost never travel by train. Almost never. Skoro pa nikad. But I can say that I definitely, I never go to work by train. But I almost never travel by train. Almost never. Skoro pa nikad. Znači, možda, sad ne mogu se setim, možda su postale par puta da sam išla vozom negde, ali nije baš da nikad, ali je skoro pa nikad. Almost never. What about you guys? How often do you travel by train? Okay, great guys. You're doing a great job. All right. Okay, let's move on. What do we see in this picture? I definitely see a starry night, starry sky, a sky full of stars. Brilliant, amazing. I love it. It's night. Definitely. It's night. It's not day. It's not day. It's night. And I see what Americans call a travel trailer, a camper, or a camper trailer. Okay, možda neko od vas već sada zna ka čemu ja idem, jer sam spomenula travel trailer, and then you heard, čuli ste, you heard camper or camper trailer. That's right. I am talking about camping. Ta-da! Yes, yes. My question for you is, how often do you go camping? How often do you go camping? Koliko često idete na kampovanje, da kampujete? To be honest, I never go camping. Now, I never go camping. But I went camping once. Only once in my life. I went camping. And I believe I was in Indianapolis at that time when I went camping. So yeah, wonderful. I apologize. Wonderful memories. Predivne uspomene. Wonderful memories. But yeah, guys, I am wondering, how often do you go camping? I never go camping. What about you? All right, from camping to, ta-da, you know it, swimming. Yes, swimming. So, can you guess my next question? How often do you Go swimming. That's right, you guys. How often do you go swimming? How often do you go swimming? Koliko često idete na plivanje? Go swimming. Ići na plivanje. How often do you go swimming? Moram da vam odam jednu tajnu. Nije, u suštini nije tajna, ali I can't swim. I can't swim. I don't know how. I don't know how to swim. I can't. Yep, so moj odgovor je I never go swimming. I never go swimming. Why? Well, unfortunately, nažalost, unfortunately, I am not a swimmer. Are you a swimmer? I hej, nemoj da vam bude čudno što koristim go plus verb ing. Zašto? Koristimo go plus gerund da govorimo o nekim našim hobijima i aktivnostima u kojima uživamo. Tako da ćete stalno čuti negde go running, go shopping, go jogging. How often do you go dancing? How often do you go fishing? How often do you go mountain climbing? How often do you go horseback riding? How often do you, I don't know, go skiing? Znači kad god želite da iskažete neki vaš hobi, neku aktivnost ili da pozovete nekog na neku aktivnost, uvek možete reći, na primjer, hey, do you want to go camping next weekend? Or, hey, do you want to go dancing tonight? Or, do you want to go mountain climbing next weekend? Or, do you want to go hiking? Šetnju, hiking. Do you want to go hiking tomorrow? Znači, go plus gerund kako bi pričali o vašim aktivnostima i hobijima. Got it? And my last question for you guys is, how often do you? Yeah, this is beer. It is beer. Yes, this is maybe a bar. Perfect. Piti pivo? Yes, you're right. So, tell me, how often do you drink beer? How often do you drink beer? All right. Well, if you ask me, ako mene pitate, I often drink beer. Yep, that's right. Your teacher often drinks beer. All right. Or I can say that I usually drink beer when I meet with my friends. When I meet with my friends, or when I hang out with my friends. I usually drink beer when I hang out with my friends. What about you guys? How often do you drink beer?